new Stockade Ringfast tool, and let's have a look at what's in the box. So as you can see, we have our product manual over here. Always make yourself familiar with the manual before using the tool. We have our hex keys here for service and maintenance requirements, and we have our bottle of pneumatic lubricating oil here. Over here we have our fastener storage, where you can safely put all of your fasteners in when you're out in the field. Last but not least, we have our Ringfast tool. Safety tips for your new Stockade Ringfast tool. Never use anything other than compressed air to operate the tool. Never service the tool with the air connected. Always keep the finger off the trigger when operating the tool. Always use your hearing and eye protection. And keep body parts well clear of the pinches. So here we have everything we need to get started with our new Stockade Ringfast tool. We have our Stockade Ringfast fasteners, our required safety equipment, which we'll just quickly put on, and our pneumatic lubricating oil. So we'll load the tool now, ensuring that you slide the fasteners onto the magazine, retracting the follower behind the fasteners. Okay. Before we put our airline on, we want to lubricate the tool. 4 drops of oil. Before we connect the airline as well, we want to ensure that our fingers stay well clear of the pinches. So connecting the airline, first pull of the trigger will load the tool. Every additional pull of the trigger will fire a ring until the rings are completed from the magazine. When lubricating your Stockade Ringfast tool, we want to apply 4 drops of oil down the inlet of the tool. Under excessive use, the tool may need lubrication more than once a day. Only ever use a PASLOAD approved pneumatic lubricating oil. When setting up the air supply for your new Stockade Ringfast tool, you want to ensure that you have a water separator installed in the outlet line of your compressor. Set your regulator to a maximum 100 psi on a 30 metre hose. To load your Stockade Ringfast tool, always ensure that you use genuine Stockade Ringfast fasteners. Face the tool down and pick up the fasteners, slide onto the magazine. Once down, pull the follower back behind the fasteners. Now we have loaded our Stockade Ringfast tool, we can plug our airline in. The first pull of the trigger will load the clip. Our second pull will form a ring. To clean your Stockade Ringfast tool, always remove your fasteners from the magazine. Ensuring that you remove the last C-clip from the jaws before disconnecting the airline. Use PASLOAD approved degreaser cleaner to clean excessive build-up off the tool before wiping down with a clean cloth. In the event of a jam with your Stockade Ringfast tool, disconnect the air supply. Using long nose pliers, firmly grip the clip and pull forward.